Welcome to the Volza tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about the Buyer CRM, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your buyers effectively using a data-driven approach. The Buyer CRM enables you to access a comprehensive list of 250 companies, complete with contact details and company profiles. It helps you make informed business decisions by tracking and analyzing your key buyers based on their shipment performance. Click on Search. To check the Buyer's CRM, first click on the Global Search option. After that, select the duration and choose the search field. Once done, click on the Search button. Now click on the Buyer's CRM option here. In this section, you can view a list of 250 buyers along with key details such as company name, shipment count, and shipment value. To explore the details further, you need to save the data into your workspace. For that, simply click on the Save option. After that, click on My Workspaces and open the recently saved workspace. In the Workspace section, go to the Workspace Buyers tab, wherein you can find the saved workspace. Here you can view a list of 250 buyers. After that, here you can exclude any company. Check the full profile of the company. Here you can see the filters. With these filters, you can narrow down your search. That's all about the Buyer CRM. Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to manage your buyers efficiently using Volza. Welcome to the Volza tutorial series. In this series, we'll learn the Supplier CRM, a feature designed to help you manage suppliers in a more organized and data-driven way. The Supplier CRM works the same way as the Buyer CRM. It helps you maintain a list of up to 250 companies with complete contact details and company profiles. With this tool, you can track shipments, analyze value, and study the trading history of key suppliers so you can take better decisions. Let's start by opening the workspace you saved earlier. Click on My Workspace. In Workspace Supplier section, you will find all your saved workspaces under Supplier CRM. Choose the one you want and open it. Inside the workspace, you'll see your list of up to 250 companies. Here, you can study their country details, shipment trends, and total value. You can click on any supplier to open their full profile. This includes their contact details, trading behavior, and shipment records. From here, click Exclude Filters to access additional filtering options for refining suppliers. From here, click Exclude Filters to access additional filtering options for refining suppliers. You can filter and prioritize active companies easily. This helps you focus your engagement on suppliers that are currently performing in the market. With this CRM, you can study each supplier's trading history, performance patterns, and market movement. It supports smarter decision-making and more efficient supplier management. That's all for this section. The Supplier CRM gives you a simple and powerful way to organize suppliers, track their performance, and stay updated with market activity. Thank you for watching. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for Schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.